Good morning, all of you. Hope all are doing well. Today, our topic is geometry. So, we are going to learn some basic points in geometry. That means points, line segment, ray. Then, after that, different types of polygons. Then, after that, angle, types of angles. Then, after that, circle, about circle, and some points on circle also we are going to learn in today's class. So geometry will start from a point. See, it is a plane surface. Plane surface. Upon this plane surface, infinite points will be. Infinite points. Many points will be infinite. So these points in geometry we denotes by capital letters. Point A, point B, point C, point D, point E, point F, and so on. And now look here. This is one point A. Right? This is a point. The name of this point A. And beside that, one more point will be. Beside that, one more point will be. And again beside one more point. And next, beside one more point. Like that, many points will be on plane surface as I told. Those are some of them points I am marking here. Observe. So initially one point I took. Right side of that point A, I marked some points from many points, from infinite points. Some points I marked right of point A. And now left of point A also some points I will mark. See, to point A, some points on right side, some points on left side I marked. Now, one figure formed here. Name of this figure is line. So like that, we can mark many points to right of a point and also left of a point also. Endlessly. So, the so formed figure is called line. Line. We denote line generally by small letters. Line L, line M, line N, and so on. And moreover, we can take any 2 points on this line A and some B. We can take any 2 points. We can denote by using 2 letters also. Line AB. Upon that AB, we have to mark line symbol. Then we can read this one as line AB. Line AB. So on this line, infinite points will be endlessly. So left side, right side and left side of point, endlessly points will be. We can extend 1 kilometer also, 2 kilometers also, like that lines will be. So it has no end points. Left side no end point, right side also no end point. So it is the line doesn't have any fixed length, and moreover it doesn't have endpoints. So to line, no endpoints, no fixed length. We have to remember 2 points about this line. One is it has no endpoints and it doesn't have fixed length. And next, some part of this line I will take. That means look, this part. This part I will take. Separately I will draw here the taken part. So starting from A and from to B. From A to B. some part I took. And a name of these figure, some part I took, the name of this figure is line segment. Segment means part. Segment means part. So it is a part of line. So we are calling this one as line segment. That means line part. Line part. Line segment it is. So clearly it has endpoints. Up to here only it is. So some part. So clearly this line segment has endpoints. How many endpoints means 2. One is A, another one is B. So line segment has endpoints. Moreover, we can measure this one. So it has fixed length. Easily we can measure. Here different. We cannot measure line. It doesn't have fixed length. But line segment has fixed length. We can measure it. And in this one, it doesn't have endpoints. Line doesn't have endpoints. But line segment has endpoints. So 2 points about line, 2 points about line segment. You have to remember. And next. So in geometry, generally 2 types of figures will be. So one is open figures. Another one, closed figures. Open and closed figures. 2 types. What is this closed figure? Look, it is one point A. I started drawing one diagram from A. And again came back to A finally. Again came back to A. That means the figure which starting and end point is same is called closed figure. The figure in which starting and end point is same is called closed figure. So look here. Started here, again came back here. Look, started here, came back here. So these are all closed figure. Closed figures means starting and end point of that figure should be same. But reversely, open figure. Open means here some point B. I started drawing one figure from here. Drawn. It ended at C. So clearly the starting and end points of this figure are not same. So such type of figures are called open figures. If the starting and end points differs, then such type of figures are called open figures. If starting and end points are same, such type of figures are called closed figures. Mainly we will learn about closed figures in geometry. We'll see next one.